Hello friends, in our previous video we solved one example of finding the square root by division method. Today also we are going to solve one more example of this method. So now let's read the example first. Example 2. Find out the square root of 400. As I explained you in our previous video, we will form two columns. Okay, then we are going to write 400 here. Then we are going to form the groups of two digits from right side. Okay, so here the groups will be like this. Now there will be one group of two zeros, and if you observe here the number 400, there is only 4 left. Okay, so how are we going to form the group of two digits? Then we will write 10 before 4 to form the group of two digits. So there will be two groups, one group of zeros and one group of 04, that is the 4. Okay, now as usual we are going to divide this number step by step. For that we will consider first this group 04, that is the number is 4. Now we are going to divide, or we are going to subtract the square number which is less than or equal to 4. Okay, so whose square is 4 or less than 4? We know that the square of 2 is 4, so we can subtract that 4. Okay, so we are going to write 2 here at quotient's place first, then at divisor's place second, and one more time below this 2. So now we have 2 2s are 4. We will subtract this 4 from this 4 and we will get 0. Now add these two, so we will get 4 here also. Okay, now bring down this group of zeros below. Okay, now as usual we will hide, but now there are zeros only, so no question of hiding this 1 0, but even then I will hide this 0. Now consider only 2 zeros. Now we are going to divide these 2 zeros by this 4. Now we know that 4 0 is 0. So we are going to write down 0 3 times. Here at quotient's place, then here at divisor's place, and one more time below this 0. Okay, so new quotient is 0 because 4 0 is 0. Okay, now 0 0 0 and 0 4 0. So we are going to subtract 0 zeros. We will get remainder as the 0. Okay, now add this 0 to 40. We will get 40 here on left hand side. Right, leave it as it is. Now remainder is 0, so our process is completed. Okay, and we got the answer as 20. So 20 is the square root of 400. So square root of 400 is equal to 20. This is our answer, final answer. This is how we have to follow the division method. In our next video also we are going to solve some more examples of this type. Okay, till then, goodbye.